everyone. Welcome to our ICT class. Hello, I am Riyad Hassan Mahfouz and welcome to our ICT class. In previous class, we are discuss about data communication method. Now, today's topic is transmission mode. Okay, we will start chapter 2, that means data communication and computer networking. First, in previous class we were discussing about data transmission method. Now we will go about the topic data transmission mode. What is data transmission mode? The process of data transmitting is called data transmission mode. That means if you transfer data from one device to another device, the direction is called data transmission mode. The flow of data in a particular direction, that is called data transmission mode. And now, as far we know that there are three types of mode. First one, unicast. What is unicast? Unicast is the term used to describe communication where a piece of information is transferred from one device to another device. And the remaining matter is that here only one sender and one receiver. That means if you send a person to another person, to another particular person, that in that case this term is occurred like unicast. Say unicast has three parts. First one simplex, second one half duplex, and third one full duplex. Now we are going to discuss about these three parts. First of all, you see here simplex. Say A is a device and B is another device. If we transfer a data from A to B, then only A can send data to B. B cannot send any data to A. That means in this type of transmission is called simplex transmission. That means the radio and TV transmission. We cannot send any data to radio. We cannot send any data to TV. Only the TV station, they can send data to us and we receive the data and just we saw. And this type of transmission is called simplex. That means only one-way transmission. Only one-way transmission. Only one device. That means A device can send data to B. Then half duplex. Half duplex, that means there is two devices, one is A and the one is B. First of all, you can send data and you can exchange data with one another. One device can exchange data to one another, like A send data to B. After receiving the data, then B can send data to A. They cannot exchange data at a time. That means data cannot transfer possible at a time. Only first of all, one device send data to another device. After receiving the data, then that device also can send data to previous one. This type of transmission is called half duplex transmission. And like walkie-talkie is that kind of data transmission. Now last one, full duplex data transmission mode. Okay, full duplex. Full duplex is okay. The last one, there is two devices A and B. They can exchange data at any time, at any direction. They can send first one can send data, then another one. There is no limitation. Anytime they can send data, they can exchange data from one another. This type of transmission is called full duplex data transmission. So unicast part is over. First part is over. There are three types of mode: fast, unicast, and broadcast. Third number one is multicast. Unicast is complete. That means unicast has three parts: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. And here the description of simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Now we are going to discuss about chapter number 2 and 3. That means broadcast and multicast. I'll take a time. I just remove this one. Just a while. Okay, let's go. The second one, that means broadcast. Broadcast. Say there is a TV center A, and in our country there are number of receivers point television. Say this is B, C and D, E. Then from this center data will be broadcast, and those who have receiver, they will receive the data and get the information. That means in broadcast section, from one point a data is transferring or a data is broadcasting each time, and the device, those who have device, they can receive the data, send. A is sending data always, and B, C and D are the receiver, they can receive the data. This is broadcast. Say TV transmission, radio transmission is also broadcast type data. Last one is multicast. Set number 3, multicast. Multicast is, say there is a sender A, B is a receiver, C is a receiver, D is a receiver and E is a receiver. And A can choose which receiver will get the information. This is called multicast. Like video conferencing, like email, you can choose the receiver. You will send the data and you can choose which receiver will receive the data. That means email system, and then video conferencing, then SMS. You can choose how many people you are sending the SMS. Group SMS, which one is group SMS, and MMS. MMS also same. So that is the multicast. You can choose the receiver from which you are just sending data. That's all for today, and we are just learning that point, the data transmission mode today. So I hope you will just understand this topic, and hopefully we will see again with a new topic. And from up to this, everyone will be just read and learn this topic. I'm sure that you will understand this topic. Thank you very much, and that's all for today, and that's all for now, this class. Okay, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.